Welcome, YouTube trailblazers and mavens. Today, we dive deep into one of the most talked about phenomena on the platform, the YouTube cash cow channels. If you've got the ambition to dominate YouTube's vast realm, this knowledge is pure gold. Let's saddle up. What is a cash cow channel? First off, what is a YouTube cash cow channel? Think of it as the ultimate strategist's move in the YouTube arena. It's designed for maximum revenue with minimal ongoing hustle. We're talking capitalizing on trends, understanding the audience's pulse, and deploying elite content production techniques. Content production mastery. But here's the deal. Are they just churning out content like a factory? Hell no. Many are smart. They use templates, hire the best from the global market, and even have state-of-the-art tools to keep the machine running smooth. Trending versus evergreen content. Now, you might ask, is it all just about riding the trend wave? The answer is, not always. While many are surfing the high tide of trends, some genius channels are tapping into evergreen content. That's the stuff that never goes out of style. Quality over quantity? Now, I hear the whispers. Is it just low-quality stuff they're tossing out? Well, don't be too quick to judge. Many of these channels, my friends, are delivering top-notch quality, avoiding the wrath of YouTube policies and keeping viewers coming back for more. Monetization techniques. Monetization? These cowboys and cowgirls know how to wrangle. From YouTube's gold mines like ad revenue and memberships to the wild west of affiliate marketing and sponsorships. They're riding the range, seizing every opportunity. Challenges and risks. But hey, it's not all sunny skies. The YouTube frontier is wild. Algorithm shifts, changing viewer wins, policy storms. Any of these can knock a channel off its horse. The key? Stay agile. Stay informed. Community and engagement. Community? Oh, the smart ones know. It's not just about views. Engage with your posse, respond to comments, run polls, keep the saloon lively. Starting your own journey. So, thinking of blazing your trail with a cash cow channel? Remember, starting is the easy part. Dominating requires wit, grit, and a relentless drive. And to those skeptics out there? Yes, some channels are in it just for the gold rush. But many combine passion with profit. They create, they inspire, and they earn. It's the new age gold rush, and there's enough space under this YouTube sun for genuine creators and master strategists. So, whether you're in it for passion, profit, or both, remember. Stay authentic, stay hungry, and conquer the YouTube frontier. If you found this deep dive insightful and want to stay ahead of the YouTube game, make sure to hit that follow button on my channel. Join the tribe, and together, we'll conquer the YouTube frontier. Don't miss out. Let's blaze this trail together.